Soy contable, pero soy ahora jubilada. I have enjoyed it very much indeed. It is the highlight of my week. My Spanish has improved from 0 to simple conversations with Spanish-speaking people in 6 months. They're extremely good value for money when compared with courses at other institutions. The teachers are lovely. It is very nice to be taught by native Spanish speakers, and they are all very enthusiastic, very helpful, and very, very welcoming. The Instituto is concentrated on everything Spanish, so you get a very good all-round education. You're exposed to lots of cultural events which you can join. You can come and see films, you can read books, you've got a library, you can even learn to salsa and lots of other things, and I would highly recommend it to anybody who wants to learn Spanish, even if you're just going on a 2-week holiday every year.